Hey Caitlin, thanks again for sharing another piece of your writing. As always, I really enjoyed reading your work. Um, like I said to Dow, I don't know if you watched his, but I really feel like your personality shines through too. And just from hearing you speak over the screen recorders, that I can kind of read this but hear your voice reading it at the same time. So that's really cool to hear your voice flow through your writing. Um, There's my cat. Um, just here, right here, I pointed out, I really liked your metaphor with the soaring and their wings, and I like that you wrapped it all through with your ending paragraph. But I think you used the wrong soar here. The SOAR seemed a little bit more appropriate than like a wound. But I just wanted to point that out. I know you didn't mean to do it, but I thought that it was structured very well with the argumentative structure. I feel like, excuse me, you had a lot of evidence and a lot of reasons to back up why it's important to incorporate a writer's workshop into your writing or into your classroom. I wonder if here where you stated your claim, if it would have helped if you maybe would have stated your reasons as to why there, just very briefly, to kind of give me as a reader an outlook of what I was about to read and be like, oh yeah, those are good reasons. I want to keep reading about them. I like that you put here just kind of a connection from you as a teacher and kind of connecting your audience to the reason that you're using, because you can kind of tell here that you really are talking to other teachers who teach students in the deaf culture, and you kind of connect you and your colleagues to your students and saying, hey, when we were learning our ASL skills, like, we know that the immersion was the best way that we learned it, so we really need to use that with our students. So I thought that was great that you used that connection. But other than that, I think that the structure was really well and it was easy to follow. But again, I wonder if up here in your thesis statement, you would have stated your reasons just very briefly to kind of give the reader an outlook as to what they were reading. But good job. Thank you.